day we are off to Sydney to then catch a plane to Japan. Skiing for how many days?
I don't know.
A lot.
A lot.
So we got 3 weeks in Japan. So it'll all be a bit of fun. Where are we, Heidi?
We're not in Kansas anymore.
In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was.
First day in Furano. We're off to get our skis.
Where are you going?
And we're about ready to start our first full day of skiing. And we have up the front, Scotty! Scotty, say hi!
How you going, team?
There's Craig and Kerri. Woo!
It may not be a full day.
There's Heidi. Woo!
I'm here.
Scotty doesn't know that.
First morning.
Woo!
Scotty doesn't know. Oh, Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Fiona says she's out shopping, but she's under me and I'm not stopping. 'Cause Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know.
And now for our feature presentation.
And this is Heidi. Getting
Hello, I'm Heidi.
Heidi's getting the pole ready to put out an avalanche search.
The pro.
The probe is going together now. She's doing it so well. It locks into place and now she can go searching for the dead body.
The buried body.
Okay, the
They're
buried
not dead,
dead body.
We're going to save them.
Oh, she's gonna save them because she's hoping.
Ta-da! And that, boys and girls, is how you look for a
That's how you use a probe.
victim.
Good morning, day 2 of our epic skiing adventure. Today where are we headed, Scotty?
We are going to a place called Sohoro.
We're going to Sohoro.
So don't stop me now. Don't stop me. 'Cause I'm having a good time. Having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger.
My skis are under there somewhere.
I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva.
Nice.
I'm gonna go, there's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky, 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit.
Oh, hold
I'm
on.
traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic man out of you.
Oh, it's still recording. Oh, hello.
I'm having such a good
Hello, me.
time. I'm having a ball. Stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Stop me now.
Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Stop, yes, I'm having a good time. I don't wanna stop at all. Yeah. I'm a rocket ship on my way to Mars on a collision course. I am a satellite. I'm out of control. I'm a sex machine ready to reload like an atom bomb about to explode.
Starting off with day 3 and we're heading out to some other ski resort for some skiing down a unused side of a mountain.
Boogie Wonderland.
Konnichiwa. This is a double chairlift for Japanese. We can't fit 2 on. It's just insane. Ski to Summit synchronized skiing team. Not very synced.
And says, baby,
Got in here before ski school. So you go over there and you buy a ticket or something that you don't know. You hand it in over here, and then they play it up for you. Okay, we're at day 4. Another exciting day of minus 21 degrees. Tomorrow's gonna be God.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath.
So this is our onsen. Male onsen, no one here. Our wash stations, a hot tub, and out here is the cold room with another hot tub. This one's outdoors to the air, so it's minus 20 at the moment out here. One of the problems I have is that the slippers just do not fit. Good morning, it's day 5. Usually. Heading to the bagel shop. Is it open? Is it closed? Is it open? Is it closed?
Is it open? Is it closed?
No, I reckon it's open.
It's open! 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 Watching bagels. I hear The Walking Dead going for it.
I don't even like bagels.
I've just found a shop that's open.
I don't like it, no, I love it. I don't like it, no, I love it. I don't like it, no, I love it. I love it. I don't like it, no, I love it. I love it.
Oh, missed it. Quick, turn your transponders on. I can see ahead.
Alright, hold on.
Let me take a selfie.
Pardon? Are we filming?
Yes,
Oh, hello.
we are filming as we walk along.
I have to get coffee.
Oh, the weather outside
It's
is frightful,
snowing.
but the fire is so delightful. And since we go place to
It's so fluffy.
go, let it snow, let it snow. And it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I've got me some for coffee. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow.
The hunt for coffee is over. We have found running coffee. Hello. And we finally made it to the ice cream factory.
Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Looking good enough to eat. Coldest with the kiss, so he call me ice cream. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice be.
Visiting a Shinto shrine.
I need another story, something to get off my chest. My life gets kinda boring. Need something that I can confess. Till on my sleeves I stained red from all the truth that I've said. Come by it honestly, I swear. Thought you saw me wink, no, I've been on the brink. So tell me what you want to hear.